Shri Sairam. Welcome dear students. Today we will discuss about 6th class state syllabus mathematics decimals. Let us begin. Highlights from this class: decimals, representation of decimals on a number line, then tenths and hundreds, and fractions as decimals and decimals as fraction. In our daily life, where we use the decimals, see 5.6, 3.1, 2.65, 9.3. These numbers are called decimal number. Here, one figure is there. See, one singing or dance competition is there. After performing the competition, the judges give the marks in the form of the decimal. Here 5.5 is a decimal number and 10.0, that is also decimal number, and 5.5. The judges give the marks in the form of the decimals. And then second one, here one swimming competition is there. This competition running with time. Time is around, using decimal, 39 minute 82 seconds, like 30 to 39.82. This result give in the form of the decimal. And then third one, this we go to the shop, there some items are purchased. After the purchasing item, the shopkeeper gives the bill in the form of the decimal, like gives the tax 4.38. Okay, in this figure shows the in our daily life using the decimals. Then decimals. A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part. The decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part separated by a decimal part. Okay, I take one example. 17.48. 17.48 is a decimal number. Here 17 is a whole number part, and after the point 48 is a decimal part or fractional part. Point is a decimal point. Here 17 whole number part. I take 17 whole boxes, 17 boxes, and then 4 is a 10th place, 4 out of 10ths. Okay, and then 8 is a 100 place, 8 placed in 100 place, that is 8 by 100, that is a fractional part. A one box is further divided into 100 equal parts, that is we said 8 part. Then here ones is multiplied into 10, that gives tens, and then multiply into 10, that gives 100. And after the decimal point, 1 is divided 10, that is 10th place, 1 by 10, and divide 10, that is 100th place, 1 by 100. Okay, I take one example. Reading the thermometer. When you go to the hospital, some suffering from fever, the doctor check up in the thermometer is decimal form, like see 98.6. This number 98.6 is a decimal number. 98 is a whole number part, and 6 is a fractional or decimal point. Okay, then representing the decimals on a number line. How to represent the decimals on a number line? Represent 1.3 on a number line. Here 1.3 is a decimal number, 1 is whole number part and 3 is a fractional part. Here first we draw a line, mark on number line some numbers. Here 0, 1, 2. We represent the 1.3 on a number line. 1.3 is a positive decimal number, right? 1.3 is a positive decimal, not a negative decimal number. 1.3 is a positive decimal number. We move towards right side from the 0. Okay, here 0, 1, 2 is a 1 unit length. Each 1 unit length is further divided into 10 equal parts. Here 0 is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6 and 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1. Like that. Same as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2. Like that. Each unit length is divided into 10 equal parts. We represent the 1.3 on a number line from 1. Here from 1 we move right side. I take 3 points, 1, 2, 3. 3 points to the right side. Okay, then we get 1.3. Understood? Then tens. You already know tens means is a fractional part. I take one simple example. I have 10 chocolates. I distribute 10 chocolates for the 10 students. Here one student will represent 1 by 10. 10 means out of 10 students, this is a first student 1 by 10. Then second student 2 by 10. How many chocolates are given in the first student? 1 by 10. And then 2 by 10, second student. Here one box. These boxes are divided into 10 equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. 10 equal parts. We are shading the only one part. That means 1 by 10. That is 1/10. Okay. Is represented in decimal notation 0.1. 1 by 10 means 0.1. And another box. We shaded 2 part. We represent the 2 by 10. That means 2 tenths or 0.2. And then we shaded the 3 parts. 3 part means 3 by 10 or 0.3, 3 tenths. Here we know 1 centimeter, 0 to 1, 1 unit length. You already know 1 centimeter is further divided into 10 equal parts. See 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1. Like that. The 1 centimeter is further divided into 10 equal parts. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. No, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. But 1 millimeter is equal to, here we convert millimeter to centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by whole pot. 1 divided by 10. Then 1 by 10 means, in the decimal notation, 0.1 centimeter. 1 by 10 means 0.1. Here 1 is placed in 10th place. Here 1 by 10. I take one example. Here length of the pencil. This length of the pencil is 7 centimeter 5 millimeter. Here 7 centimeter, you already know 70 centimeter means it's a whole number part. 5 millimeter, we write completely in meters. Completely write meter. We convert millimeter to centimeter. Here 7 centimeter, we written same 7, and millimeter to centimeter, you already know 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Here 5 millimeter is equal to 0.5 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. It is written as 0.1 centimeter. Here 5 millimeter is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Then 7 plus 7 centimeter. 7 is a whole number part. 7 plus 5 millimeter. How to written as 5 0.5 centimeter. 7 plus 0.5, 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Here 7, same. 5 millimeter means 5 by 10. Like that. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 5 millimeter is equal to 5 by 10 centimeter. Here 7 plus 0.5 means 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Then here a combination of the 2 blocks and 3 parts will recorded as. Here 2 blocks is further divided into 3 parts. Okay. How to written the decimal part? Here this is a whole number part. A combination of the 2 blocks means whole number part. It is written as 2, and this is divided into 3 parts. This whole number part is divided into 3 parts. That is means 2.3. Okay, 2 is a whole number part. 2 blocks, a combination of the 2 blocks. 2 blocks means whole number part, this one. And 3 parts. The 2 blocks divided into 3 parts means 0.3. This is a fractional part. Okay, 2.3. It can be written as the 2.3 and read as the 2.3. Okay. Then fraction as decimal. How to convert the fraction to decimal? Here decimal representation of 11 divided by 5. Decimal representation of 11 divided by 5. 11 divided by 5 is a fraction. How to convert the decimal? Here in a decimal notation, the denominator should be 10 or 100. The denominator should be 10 or 100. Okay, you already know how to make the equivalent fraction. Here 11 divided by 5. How to make the equivalent fraction? We multiplied 2, numerator and denominator, both sides, not only denominator. We multiplied numerator and denominator. 11 into 2, how much? 22, divided by 5 into 2, 10. Then 22 divided by 10 means 20 plus 2. We separate 22 will be separated. 20 plus 2 divided by 10. We take each parts. This one we take first, this one, and another take this one. 20 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 10. 20 divided by 10 means 10 ones are 10 twos are, that is 2 is a whole number part. 2 divided by 10 means 2 tenth means 0.2. 1 by 10 means you already know 1 by 10 is a 0.1. 2 by 10 is a 0.2. Then 2 plus 0.2. 2 plus 0.2 is a answer we get 2.2. Then I take another one. Decimal representation of 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2 is a fraction. In a decimal notation, the denominator should be a 10 or 100. You already know how to make the equivalent fraction 1 by 2 into, in denominator should be 10. What will number we are multiplied? 5. We multiplied 5, not only denominator, numerator and denominator, both sides we multiplied numerator and denominator. 1 into 5, how much? 5. 2 into 5, 10. 5 by 10, 5 by 10 means 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 1 by 2 means half. Half is equal to 0.5. 1 by 2 means a half, 0.5. Then decimals as fraction, you already got fractions as decimal. Here decimal as fraction. Write a decimal number like 1.2 as a fraction. How to convert the decimal to fraction? Here 1.2 is a decimal number. Let us say 1.2. We 1.2 splitting. 1 is a whole number part. 1 plus 2 is a, what is the place value of the 2? 2 is a 100 place. Here 2 is a 100 place. 1 is a ones place. 2 is 2 by 10 is equal to, how to write as 1? 1 is a 10 by 10. 10 by 10 means 1. 10 ones are 10 by 10 means 1. Here 10 by 10 plus 2 by 10. Here denominator both are same. LCM also same. 10. 10 plus 2, how much? 12. 12 divided by 10. The 1 by 2 decimal is converted into fraction 12 by 10. Next we will simplify it. 2 5s are, 2 5s are, 2 6s are. How much? 2 6s are 12. 6 by 5. The answer we get 6 by 5. Next one, write a decimal number like 2.5 as a fraction. This also same in previous question. Here let us say 2.5. The 2.5 is split. 2 is a whole number part. We written 2 plus 0.5. After point is a fractional part. 5 divided by, what is the place value of 5? Is a 10th place. 5 divided by 10. Next we written as 2 means 20 divided by 10. In a denominator portion, in a decimal point notation must be should 10 or 100. Okay, 20 divided by 10 plus 5 divided by 10. The denominator both are same. We written divided 10 and 20 plus 5. How much? 25 divided by 10. The answer we get 25 divided by 10. The number, decimal number 2.5 is converted into fraction. Is answer we get 25 divided by 10. Next 100. 100 means you already know tens place. 100 means after the decimal point, tens place and then 100 place. 100 is a 1 by 100th. 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is a 100th place. Here I take one block. This block is divided into 100 equal parts. 1, see, this block is divided into 100 equal parts. We shed only 2 parts. We shed only one. First one. What is the value of the first part? That is 1 by whole number part. That is 100. I take second. We shed second. Two divided by 100. Like that. This one block is further divided into 100 equal parts. That is a 100 place. Here you already know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. No, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter, we convert centimeter to meter. You already know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We convert 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100. 1 divided by 100 meter, or 1/100th of a meter. 1/100th. Here 1 by 100 means 1 part out of 100 plus. No, 1 part out of 100 parts of a whole. Similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. 25 centimeter is equal to how much? 25 divided by 100. Here 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is in a decimal 0.01. The 1 is placed in 100 place. The 1 is this one. 1 is placed 100th. Okay. Here similarly 25 centimeter is equal to 25 divided by 100 means 0.25. This last 5 is placed in 100th. Here 5 is placed in 100th place means 0.25 meter. Here one situation example is there. David was measuring the length of the room. He found that the length of his room is 4 meter 25 centimeter. Here the David measuring the length of the room. He found that the length of his room is 4 meter 25 centimeter. He wanted to write the length in meters. Can you help him? What part of the meter will be 1 centimeter? You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Here 4 meter 25 centimeter. We write in only meters. Here 25 centimeter. Both are different, 4 meter and 25 centimeter. We convert centimeter to meter. We convert centimeter to meter. You already know 4 meter is a whole number part. 4 meter is a whole number part. Okay, 25 centimeter. We convert meter to centimeter to meter. 25 centimeter means 25 centimeter is equal to 0.25 meter. Okay, 25 centimeter is equal to 0.25 meter means 4.25 meter. Okay, the David measured the length of his room is 4.25 meter. Understood? Then here given the place value table, write the number in the decimal form. You already given in the place value table. See, this is a place value table. Ones, ones place the number 2, and tens place number 3, and hundred place 1, and after the decimal point tenth place 1 by 10 means the number 1 place it in 1, and hundred place 1 by 100 the number 5. How to write the in a decimal form this given in the place value table? How to write? See, the number show is 1. What is the place value of 1? 100 place 1 into 100. Okay, then plus here what is the place value of 3? Tens place 3 into 10. Okay, then plus what is the place value of the 2? 2 ones place is a 2 into 1. Then after the decimal point, here decimal point is there, after the decimal point tens place, what is the value? Tens place 1 into 1 by 10 plus what is the hundred place value? 5 into 1 by 100. Here 1 into 100 means 100. Then 3 into 10 means 30. And 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 1 by 10 means 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100 means 5 divided by 100. Then 100 plus 30, 130, 132. Here whole number part 132 plus here 1 by 10 means in a decimal 0.1. Then 5 by 100 means 0.05. These numbers added, then final we get 132.15. The answer we get 132.15. In a given the place value table, we write the numbers in decimal form 132.15. Then I take another one. Given the place value table, write the number in decimal form. This place value table, 2 is a 1 place, 4 is a 10th place, and 3 is a 100 place. The number is, what is the place value of 2? Is a 1 place, 2 into 1 plus what is the place value of 4? Is it 10th place after the decimal point. 4 into 1 by 10, 10th place plus what is the place value of 3? 100th place, 1 by 100 means 3 into 1 by 100. Then 2 into 1, how much? 2. 4 into 1 by 10 means 4 by 10 plus 3 divided by 100. Then 2 plus 4 by 10 means 0.4 plus 3 divided by 100 means 0.03. The final answer will get 2 is whole number part. 2.04 plus 0.03 is 0.43. The answer we get 2.43. Okay, in the given the place value table, the number in decimal form is 2.43. There are some assignment questions are given. See, first one, show 0.5 on a number line. Then write the following decimals in the place value table. First one 19.60. Then second one 148.32. And third question is write as fraction. Here decimal number is there. We convert decimal to fraction. And also write the decimals. This one 20 plus 9 plus 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100. You simplify this one. I hope everyone understood. Please practice these assignment questions and some solve the exercise problems also. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.